Hey guys, welcome back to Nicholas Movie and TV Show Reviews. You saw a title, you saw a picture. That's right, I'm doing something really different today. I'm kind of doing like a vlog. A little while ago on my channel, I said I wanted to start doing different things instead of just movie and TV show reviews, and this is my first attempt at it. So if this video is bad, please don't get mad. I am gonna get better, trust me. So today is gonna be a fun day because I'm going to Pennsylvania with my brother and his friend to get fireworks for the 4th of July because I have nothing else better to do with my life, even though I could be studying for some finals. Like, who does that? So we're gonna go over to my brother in the kitchen, and he's a little sweaty right now because he exercised. Ew. And he's gonna explain to us what we're going to do today. So, hello, Zachary. This is kind of gonna be like an interview type thing. I'm gonna pretend like I don't know what's happening.
You just said you knew what was gonna happen.
Yeah, but
I said
I'm pretending.
Okay. Yes.
So,
hi,
Zachary, tell me what we're doing today.
We're gonna get some fireworks, and they might be illegal, might not. I forget.
Don't know.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna just like see what we can do in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Maybe get some food. Maybe adopt a child. I don't know.
Yeah, a lot of things could happen, and you just never know. It could be an adventure.
I agree.
So,
This is a really weird angle. My head's like...
You keep, like, cutting me off.
Well,
like, can I
okay,
finish?
Sorry, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So...
Well, and then I was thinking...
So, once Zachary's friend comes here, we're gonna start the vlog again, and we're gonna go on our adventure. Yeah, he's, like, a little creepy, so... Don't be weirded out by some of the things he says. So I'll see you guys when we're about to leave. Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now. My brother's friend is in the gas station getting some snacks, you know, because I might get a little hungry during this long road trip. I have my iced vanilla cappuccino from Dunkin' Donuts. I have my pillow, my earbuds, my wallet, and my brother's car is like really messy, so don't mind that. I'm so Gucci with my Dunkin' Donuts, and it tastes so good.
Do you want any snacks, yo?
Hey, Zach, welcome to the vlog.
Okay, well, I'm going in.
Should I come in?
I'll lock it.
Would that be good vlog material?
Sure, yeah, come on in.
Okay, I'll come. So we went to the gas station, we got our snacks, and we're ready to go on our road trip. It's gonna be so much fun. We might get a little tired after a while.
Might get a little drunk, a little tuckered out.
That's why I'm sister vlogging, because we're spilling the tea.
Are you really vlogging?
Yeah, why not? We gotta get that good vlog material.
Say Dad.
What happened to private conversations?
Yeah, there is no such thing as private conversations when it's vlog time.
Yeah,
Tea.
we'll be there at 4, okay? 2 hours.
4?
Yep.
Oof.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not that bad. Cause that means a lot of vlog material.
A lot of vlog material.
We're in a gas station for the second time today because there might be people in here, and like I don't want to be like really
Here
loud.
getting drugs.
And we're looking for a bathroom, but there's someone in the bathroom right now, so we're just looking around at the sunglasses over there. And I have to go pee because I drank my cappuccino, but there's someone in the bathroom and it's only one toilet, so we're seeing if someone is actually in there because we don't think there is. It's just like we're in Rite Aid right now. I don't know why we keep stopping at random places.
Brandon's gotta pee.
Oh, well, I guess I kind of need to go potty also. I love Rite Aid so much because they just have so many juicy things.
Moon pies?
We love that. Okay, I doubt they have a bathroom in Rite Aid.
Why wouldn't they have a bathroom in Rite Aid?
Oh my god, the toy aisle.
Ooh,
Oh my god, yes.
no.
We don't
Like that. We don't like Captain Marvel.
Oh, is this the baby aisle? Yeah, it
It's
is.
just like home.
Loud. Where are we going? We have to get
We're
some
finding
good
a
vlog
bathroom.
material.
Oh, here it is.
The bathroom! Okay, is it just me who thought that literally was a real person? Wait, we're going to the bathroom all together? Fun.
We're gonna get an early showing if we have cancer.
We're almost there!
Oh my god.
We're
Laura, last name Explorer. She look good for a 4-year. Wanna see on your back?
We're gonna roll
another backpack, cause I know you like to coordinate, Dora.
We're here to the fireworks store, and it's buy one, get one free.
Oh.
And I got a crown, which is really cool because now I'm going to be wearing this wherever I go.
We had to sign a couple liability forms so we don't blow up New York State.
Yep.
Me too. I'm
Doesn't really fit, but I'm to manage to put these in the trunk. What is that?
It was a sign my ex-girlfriend gave me.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
That's
should leave it.
depressing for the vlog.
Our
Should we
vlog
put
is
it on a
sad.
car? Nick, should we put it on a car for the
Yes, putting it
vlog?
on
Before we
anyone's
leave, we're
car.
gonna do it. Before we
Oh
leave.
my god.
I gotta vlog that one.
Yeah, this is
Let's
vlog
hide
worthy
it so no
right
one
here.
sees It's ours.
Happy birthday, Zachary. Windshield. With the like.
Of like what
The
car?
wipers just like hold it there.
Yeah.
Like bring that, like take that out, and then we can put that bit on top of this.
Like, how is your trunk gonna fit all
Do you
this?
think I
My
invested
crown
that?
fell!
Shit.
Last one. Okay.
And then I'm just gonna put mine in there as well. Why not?
T.
Why not?
Why not, dude?
Like, how
Holy
are we
shit.
putting all this in here? Make sure it's safe.
I just don't want this.
Shove this in.
Woo!
Do we have
Success.
everything? 3, 1, 2, 3.
We did it.
Yeah.
Are you happy, Zach?
I feel good. Thanks for asking.
All right.
Let's put the sign on.
Time to be pranksters.
Nick, make sure no one's looking, dog.
This is so sketchy.
Is this like vandalism?
Zach,
Do I
don't
get
do it.
arrested
don't
for
do
this?
it. Don't.
Just put it right on the.
No,
put it
this-
right on-
you
dude,
shouldn't do
dude,
this.
I'm telling you, just put it right on the hood. Don't like put it on the windshield or anything.
Brandon, is anyone looking?
They probably are. Zach, no.
It's gonna blow away. Well, fuck. Okay, alright, hold on. Okay, there we go. It's
This
in.
is
Let's go.
crazy. Run. We gotta escape. There's security cameras outside.
do. That girl's window was rolled down the whole time, so she probably heard the whole thing.
Where?
Right in the blue car up there.
Like,
Oh yeah, dude, that was a phone. Nick, you record all that?
yeah, I got it. It's
Okay.
for the vlog. We have some juicy moments in it, you know.
Yeah, dude, this is like a legendary vlog.
It is, and it's about to get a whole lot better because we're gonna be doing some crazy stuff.
Just wait for dinner.
Just say.
Oh no, some people
Do
are
you think
coming
that?
out.
Oh god.
It's a big van. It's full of people.
Oh Jesus.
Oh no. Oh my god, what if it's literally their car?
I really think it
We
is.
gotta go, we gotta go.
Phone.
Oh my god, they're literally coming. They are literally, okay, they're looking at us.
No, we're fucking out of here. Stop laughing.
We're going.
Oh wait, is it?
No wait, it's not the car. We're safe. We're safe. At a restaurant right now and it's called Mima's. That's like actually really beautiful though.
It's hey,
Welcome to
Look,
Mima's Prime Rib.
it's Mima's.
Oh yes.
It's
Get
Alright,
that.
thank you. Okay.
So I left my wallet in
They probably
my
think we're,
brother's
like,
car,
running away or something.
and we were gonna leave Mima's because we're like,
Mima's.
I don't know if I actually want to eat here.
come on,
But
dude,
then
we
the
can't-
waitress came over and she's like, "What do you want to drink?" I'm like, "Oh well, we
Come on,
can't leave
We
now."
can't leave Brandon in there
So
alone.
I gotta
Here,
get my money. Got my wallet.
Brandon's.
Now we're. We almost left his keys in the car, which would not have been a good idea. but we're going back in and we're eating at this, and I'll do a review after to see if Mima's is worth it.
By some old people. Let's
Yeah,
go.
you never know. So we just went to Mima's, and actually it was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be because, you know, it looks kind of creepy and small and stuff. I'm like, ew. Yeah, but we actually found like a good place to eat, so I'm happy. We're at Save-A-Lot right now because we like to stop like every 2 seconds. So we're going through the aisles.
Yeah, Brennan, I
Yeah,
don't
my
think they have
back
a
hurts a bit. Well then, let's just like
It's freaking cold.
pee in the trees. I know it is cold in here.
This is like
That's
as cold as,
vlog.
like hell.
Now we're going to Dunkin' Donuts for the second time today. I'm gonna
Nick,
get more coffee.
I think me and all your viewers are wondering, what was the point of this vlog? Why
Because
did I waste
everyone
5
wants
minutes
to
watching
see
this?
me vlog. It's everything. So we just got out of Dunkin' Donuts and we're driving home right now because when we get home we're gonna set off a few fireworks and it's gonna be so juicy. So I'll see you when we get home. Okay, so we're back home. We have all the fireworks here, which is kind of scary because if any part of this room gets on fire, this all will explode. So that's cool. So we're gonna go out and have a fire, and then we're gonna light some off, and we're gonna see how loud they are and see what they look like. Hopefully these don't disappoint. I'm back on my phone because I charged my phone a little, and my
He looks really good. Dude, you look really good.
that's terrifying. And I'm so happy that I have my own phone because I was tired of asking my brother for his phone every 2 seconds, and I know Zachary was too, so we're gonna go out and have some fun because it's dark out. So we're lighting off these ones right here, smaller ones, because we don't want to like burn down our whole house. So it's lit up in here.
Alright, that was cringy. Oh, no.
It's fire time, it's real smoky, and the show is just beginning. Oh my god. Zach, why would you throw it in the grass? Oh!
I'm holding them in my hand because I feel like I'm gonna lose it. Okay. Alright.
Why?
Well,
You're gonna let the
that's
grass
like
on
way
fire.
too close. Throw it out more.
I hate everybody.
Wait, light it, then
Wait,
throw it
throw
out.
them-
Ooh, it's lit up in here. Oh!
What, burning
We're
it?
shooting these off
easier than-
now,
Yeah, I'm
and
just
we're gonna
crying on
hold
the
them.
inside.
Like everything.
I have a thing that you can like put in the
Wait,
ground.
are we all gonna hold our
There you
own?
go.
I like
There you go.
holding them in my hand.
Yeah, we're gonna hold them because that's the fun part. I called the green one. Or no, wait, the blue one. The one blue one just for me.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
No, wait.
Right at the shed.
Vlog worthy.
Wait, are you shooting it down there or like?
right in the pool.
Nick, you gotta quit now.
Like these ones.
Okay, Zach, are
Ready?
you
I
lighting
don't
it?
know how to light them.
Alright, I'm gonna light it though.
Wait, stop. Are we too close to it? Okay, I'm like
Dad,
running.
Why are you looking?
Stop, I'm like scared. Oh, stop, I'm scared. That's way too close.
It's gonna like tip over.
Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh!
Could you imagine if we held that? Candle!
That is. Mom, do you want to be part of the vlog?
Alright, can we light off that one? Just like super. Okay, super quick, let's go.
Yes.
Brennan, you wanna light
Crusher
this?
time. The
Sure,
bigger
I'll light
one.
Well,
Put it.
Alright, where now?
probably like
I wonder
right
how
here.
big this will be,
I put it
honestly.
right in the middle where we did it last time. I've
Wait,
never
are we
actually
actually?
lit a big firework before.
Yeah, Brandon.
Ooh,
I'm excited, man.
me too. This is like a first, and this is gonna be exciting.
It's kind of wet over here.
I know.
Probably going in the
Are you
neighbor's
nervous,
yard.
Brandon?
I've never done this before.
Brandon's first time.
Ooh,
Should pull the trigger,
tea.
right?
Firework
it not going
virgin
off?
right here.
Why is
I
it
know. We have the wood down, and we're getting ready to light this off. The
I'm afraid it's gonna tip over
nutcracker
like last year.
crash crusher,
Not crusher.
Last
whatever
year.
it's called.
we- Is the
Don't be
nutcrusher
scared.
gonna
If
tip?
you're scared, then you're gonna mess it up.
Is it
No,
gonna
you
tip?
can't mess up a light. I'm
Yeah,
just
you
saying like it's
can.
gonna be
Alright, you light the green thing.
Yeah, right there. I'm
Let's get a close up
Alright,
on
let me
this.
get in my spot.
Wait,
You're getting
we're
your spot.
backing
I need the
up.
light.
Oh, it's lit.
Oh my god!
Wait, Nick!
Run! Stop! I'm scared. Oh! Oh! Stop! Oh! 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 Run! Oh!
I
has
knew
happened
I
to
saw
us
it started,
before,
like,
and we almost
shifting.
died last time, so.
It almost tipped over.
Yeah, because it started like going more
make us
towards
feel
the
better for next
tree,
year.
so. We could have died on my vlog. That would have made it a lot more exciting.
Yeah, it would have been way more happier too.
Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was such a journey. We did so much today, and a lot of tea and crazy things went down, and we're ending this night by sitting by the fire after we just lit off some fireworks that were a lot bigger than we thought they were, and we almost like got killed, you know, because they almost tipped over, but we're good. I hope you guys liked this. It was fun trying something new, and let me know if you guys want to see another vlog from me soon, because who knows, I might go on another adventure. So anyway, bye!